The housing market is already seeing a shift. News 4's Kim St. Onge is looking into what's quickly become a buyer's market. Kim?
Sam, this is one of several for sale signs we spotted across St. Louis tonight. A local realtor telling me there's a shift happening from a seller's market to possibly a buyer's market. He adds that a lot of these homes are sitting on the market longer and receiving fewer offers.
Hey guys, thanks for being willing to have this meeting kind of virtually like this.
Adam Kruse is doing business a little differently these days.
I know that I'll need to come to your house at some point, but I thought we could start with kind of our conversation just virtually here.
The realtor and owner of Hermann London Group is trying to practice social distancing while still selling homes.
We're not going to want to do these crazy open houses where 80 families are coming through, right? We're going to want to spread things out a little bit and give people the time to see the property.
Instead, his realtors will be doing more showings on Facebook Live. This comes as mortgage rates hit historic lows in February.
Some people miss the boat, unfortunately.
Because rates have already gone back up.
Rates are not any lower right now than they were a year ago. So if you were in a position where a year ago it didn't make sense to refinance, it probably doesn't make sense right now.
Mortgage loan officer Mark HIRSCH tells News 4 there was also a huge spike in the number of people applying for a mortgage loan or wanting to refinance their home. The challenge now is whether someone can be approved.
We have to verify their employment with their employer. If there's nobody there to verify it, or they say, sorry, they've been laid off, we may not be able to qualify them for the loan in that instance.
Even with so much uncertainty in the market right now, Kruse is saying it's really not a bad time to buy or even sell a home, adding that really this could maintain as the sellers, if people decide on putting their home on the market. Live in South City, Kim St. Onge, News 4.